Have you ever seen a liquid so cold that it can freeze anything instantly? Imagine a substance so frigid that it can turn a flower into a brittle, frozen sculpture in mere seconds. This isn't science fiction, it's the fascinating reality of liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is a marvel of modern science, a substance that can freeze objects almost instantaneously. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? Meet liquid nitrogen, one of the coolest substances on Earth. Let's explore its science in just 5 minutes. Liquid nitrogen is pure nitrogen gas cooled down to minus 196 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, it turns into a super cold liquid, stored in insulated containers called douars. Since 78% of the air we breathe is nitrogen, we get liquid nitrogen by compressing and cooling air until nitrogen turns into liquid. Then we separate it from oxygen and other gases and finally, store it at super low temperatures in vacuum-sealed tanks. This process ensures that the nitrogen remains in its liquid state, ready for various applications. Liquid nitrogen is unique because it instantly freezes anything, like flowers, bananas, and even balloons. It boils at room temperature, creating that cool, foggy effect. It expands rapidly. 1 liter of liquid nitrogen becomes 700 liters of gas. This rapid expansion is not just a party trick, it's a fundamental property that makes liquid nitrogen incredibly useful in various fields. For instance, in the medical field, liquid nitrogen is used to store cells, vaccines, and even in cryosurgery to remove unwanted tissue. In the food industry, liquid nitrogen is a game changer. Chefs use it to make instant ice cream, creating a smooth and creamy texture that's hard to achieve with traditional methods. The rapid freezing process prevents the formation of large ice crystals, resulting in a superior product. In engineering, liquid nitrogen is used to cool metals and superconductors. This cooling is essential for various high-tech applications including MRI machines and particle accelerators. The ability to reach such low temperatures makes liquid nitrogen invaluable in scientific research and industrial processes. Liquid nitrogen isn't just for science experiments, it's used in medicine storing cells, vaccines, and cryosurgery, food industry, making instant ice cream, engineering cooling metals and superconductors, science and research cryogenics and space experiments. But with great power comes great responsibility. Liquid nitrogen is fun but dangerous. Never touch it directly, it can cause severe burns. Always handle with proper safety gear. This includes wearing gloves, goggles, and protective clothing to prevent any accidental contact with the skin. The safety precautions are not just for handling, they also extend to storage. Liquid nitrogen must be stored in well-ventilated areas to prevent the buildup of nitrogen gas, which can displace oxygen and pose a suffocation hazard. Proper storage containers, like douars, are designed to minimize the risk of leaks and spills. The science behind liquid nitrogen is as fascinating as its applications. From the moment air is compressed and cooled to the final storage in vacuum-sealed tanks, each step is a marvel of engineering and chemistry. This intricate process ensures that we have a reliable supply of liquid nitrogen for various uses. Whether it's freezing a flower in a science experiment or preserving vital medical samples, liquid nitrogen continues to be an essential tool in our technological arsenal. Its unique properties make it a subject of ongoing research and innovation. Now you know the science behind liquid nitrogen. Want to see more cool science facts? Like, share, and subscribe. The world of liquid nitrogen is vast and full of potential. As we continue to explore its capabilities, who knows what new discoveries await. From everyday applications to groundbreaking scientific research, liquid nitrogen is a testament to the wonders of modern science. So, the next time you see that mesmerizing fog rolling off a container of liquid nitrogen, you'll know there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. It's a blend of chemistry, physics, and engineering, all working together to create something truly extraordinary. And remember, while it may look like magic, it's all science. So, stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the incredible world of liquid nitrogen. Thank you for joining us on this chilly adventure. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of liquid nitrogen, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Until next time, stay frosty. Liquid nitrogen isn't just for science experiments. It's used in medicine storing cells, vaccines, and cryosurgery. Food industry, making instant ice cream. Engineering, cooling metals and superconductors. Science and research cryogenics and space experiments. Liquid nitrogen is fun but dangerous. Never touch it directly, it can cause severe burns. Always handle with proper safety gear. Now you know the science behind liquid nitrogen. Want to see more cool science facts? Like, share and subscribe.